know since the last update I was in the driveway doing a little walk around of the 70. Got it back apart today. Yesterday I got the grips, the front sprocket put on, and as you all probably seen just then, the back wheel is off. It is over here. I didn't film any of it because it was kind of a pain, but this nut on the back of this bolt is rounded, so we gotta order a new bolt and nut, just a single one of those. And then all three of these are in, tightened up. And then we got the new ball bearings in there. I cleaned out the inner part of this hub. And new sprocket, 38 on the rear, and then 14 in the front. Gear it down for wheelies and stuff. And aired that tire up again. And then this is the old rear sprocket. This is a 36 tooth. This thing is shark finned. You can probably see there. The hub is not back in it yet, but this is it. I gotta get new brake shoes for that. Chain is not yet on. Gotta get that. Gotta get a new axle. Once we get the new axle, here's the dust cap. That actually should have probably went in there. My brother is working on his Harley, turning it into a scrambler, but I'm about to took this case cover off again, this little clutch cover. I'm gonna paint it black with some VHT heat protectant paint. And actually, where does this dust cap go? Yeah, I had a feeling it was going. It was supposed to go here, but I guess Dad didn't put it in. I'll put it in another time. And then the little axle spacer here, I cleaned this off and sanded it. It's not the best, but it is clean. The axle actually was stuck really, really bad. It's seized up really bad. So we got all that taken off. And now we're going to order axle tonight, and hopefully it'll come in next couple days. And whenever that comes in, hopefully get all that situated, whatever you want to say. And then all the parts we got on it right now. I got new fuel drain hoses, the overflow. I got new hoses from the petcock. It's a little long. I didn't cut it enough. I was gonna put those bigger foot pegs on, but I just filed these ones, and these are pretty sharp now. And bigger shifter, bigger bars, new grips. Painted a couple little things. Painted the little top clamps for the bars. I'm painting the chain guard, which goes here, the little chain guard thing. Painted the exhaust with some VHT heat resistant paint. Done all that. Got all that painted. And then we come over here, I painted the heat shield, the kickstart, and I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm not. And over here we got the this thing's probably done. Yeah, probably throw one more coat on it of plasti dip, and then actually that's the inside. Nobody's really gonna see that much. Yeah, we'll just throw this on here. Plasti dipped it red to match some of the little red accent. Oh yeah, I painted the little clamp and the lever here. But got those painted. So I'm gonna get my homemade rigged up tripod here, which is my race jug. Set it right here, full of 93. Oh, well, here should be fun. You all should be able to see me pretty good now. I need to grab my... Where's that snap on? There it is. There's so many little parts on this thing that I just want to powder coat, but I don't have the money for it right now. So I've just been plasti dipping and really just getting like the best paint, like spray paint that you can get without. This should look pretty good, honestly. I mean, it's not going to be like, it's not on metal either, it's also just plastic, so it's not going to be perfect, but it is going to look better than the old crusty kind of clearish white than it had on it before. So we'll throw it on here and should make a good difference. I think it looks better, honestly, with the red plasti dip on there. In my opinion, and honestly, the red, I gotta swap out things here. The red honestly looks pretty dang good, but I wish I could do this red plasti dip on the little clutch cover there, but sadly, I can't really do plasti dip on the clutch cover because it will melt because it gets a little bit hot. Alrighty, that red is actually looking pretty dang good. Let me pick you guys up here. Pick you guys up here real quick. That red actually looks pretty good, honestly. I would paint these bolts, but I don't want to mess anything up with have it all painted and then it not be easy to get off and on. I was gonna repaint this kickstand black, like sand it down and repaint it, but it's just gonna get like dirty anyway. It's kind of what I figured out with the kickstart here. It's just gonna get dirty again. And yeah, it's just gonna get dirty. I don't really feel like painting something that's just gonna, I mean, everything's gonna get dirty, but the kickstart just gets banged up and scratched. And because I also was gonna do this, but a little shifter, we do the black on it. But anyways, I will get off here. See you guys on the next update, and by the next update we should be sanding and getting this thing prepped for paint. Peace.